Welcome back again, guys, to another video, cooking video. My name is Gart Adventures. Thank you so much, guys, to all my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming back to watch my videos, and to all my recent subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for joining the family. Well, today I'll be cooking some stew pork today, guys. Brown stew pork today. I've already cleaned up my pork with vinegar and some lemon. So this is the season that I'm going to be using today. Some cayenne pepper and some adobo all-purpose seasoning. And this is a seasoning salt, some black pepper, and Jamaica browning, and my salt. So guys, this is, I'm gonna do first here. You can see this is my seasoning. Okay, that's about it. My adobo seasoning. Not going to use too much salt, just a little bit like this, guys. That's it. So I'm going to put a little black pepper as well. So later on I'll be like browning. I'll let it sit for about 5 minutes. So it looks like my browning, so I'm gonna marinate this for a little bit. This is how it looks like, guys. Okay, so I'll be on this spot here. So stay tuned, guys. Tell me what you think about today's video of stew pork with some white rice, guys. Guys, I'll be adding some oil. Not much. That's about it. This is a little bit of oil. So this is good. I'm gonna brown the pork right now. So let me see. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be guys. See? Sit there for a little while. Right, stay tuned, guys. So it looks like, guys. So I'm gonna let it brown for a little bit. Guys, this is what it looks like. You see? Brown stewed pork, guys. So guys, I'm gonna add some water to it now. You see? I'm gonna let this cook. Stay tuned, guys. Like now I'm going to start cutting up my vegetables, sweet pepper, onions, tomato, some carrots, some ginger, guys. Well, so stay tuned, guys. I'll cover back this down, cook. Guys, this is my seasoning. I got onions, thyme, sweet pepper, tomato, garlic, and some grated ginger and Scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, this is my seasoning that all I'm gonna use today in my pork. So stay tuned, guys. Adding my seasoning now. Thyme, onions, pepper, scallion, carrot as well, tomato, sweet pepper. A little pimento seed inside this. This is my rice over here. So it looks like, guys. You see? Looks like, guys. Pork. Already tenderized, guys. So this is a final step. Pin this thing down. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, this is how it looks like. Now the pork. Getting down. Stew pork, guys. Brown stew pork. Looking good. This, guys, brown stew pork, guys. Cook down a little bit more in the next 5-7 minutes. It is okay. Stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, this is my brown stew pork. Look at it, guys. Looking good, guys. My veg, carrot. Guys, tell me what you think about today's video, guys. Brown stew pork, guys. Wow, looking delicious, guys. Looking delicious. Yes, guys, my stew pork, guys. Okay, it's delicious, guys. This is my pork. It's my vegetable. Yes, guys. Delicious. Very nice, guys. Stew pork. Vegetable, guys. Hey guys, thanks for watching, guys. Can't waiting about today's video about the stew pork. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you very much to all my subscriber, my returning subscriber, my recent subscriber. Thank you so much, guys, for joining the team. And if you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe to the channel, and remember, like the video, turn on your post notification bell, so when I upload the next video, you'll be getting a notification, guys. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate it a lot. Thank you for all the support, the love and support that you gave to me. And be blessed, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.